not going to see from the road. It's nice and clean. Not all tarnished.
I know it. After time, it all looks the same.
Oh, yeah.
If you look at my roof, you go down through and then you get that brand new sheet on the one. That. I would say so.
That definitely, that makes it nice.
Sailors passing on the street, are you ready for peace? Ships are filling up fast, are you ready for ease? Forget bad memories and leave those hurting knees behind. Birds are filling up the sky, are you willing to try? Right. Sing along as they hum and be fulfilled. Many more will come, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti. If we fail, we just reboot. Grass is greener on this side. Are you ready for new? New beginnings, new pride. Let your spirit shine through. Many more will come, oh, many more. Under the sun, pack your finest suit, and we will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. Nothing can hold us back. Oh, nothing can take us down. We stand joined. Many more will come, oh, many more under the sun. Pack your finest suit. We will keep it steady. We will be the confetti, and if we fail, we just reboot. We just reboot.
Well, I think we have a pretty good one tonight for you. As you can see, we got quite a bit more of the roof on. There is, after today, I didn't really run the camera today because we were running too hard. I mean, I ran it some tonight to get you a little bit of some siding, stuff like that. Some of the setup we're starting up here on the second floor. It's kind of nice to be doing these speaking parts upstairs now. I mean, when we really get into the swing of this shop, a lot of our videos are going to come right here from the second floor, which is going to be cool. This will be the insulated, heated, and finished off section of this building. Downstairs, of course, we'll have our metalworking and our forge and all that good stuff. A couple tractors to rebuild. I mentioned that a few times. But we have 3/4 of the roof on, so 3 out of the 4 gambrel sections are done. The last one left is going to be the eastern top half of the gambrel. Those sheets are a little over 7 feet long. I think it's like 7 feet 3 inches, something like that. So that'll be nice. That and I only made that a 4/12 pitch, so for the guys who, my father-in-law and brother-in-law, who are very brave up on that stuff. I've offered the harnesses a couple times and they don't want them. It makes me cringe. My wife's brother, kid crawls around like a monkey. You know, I don't. It's like watching a couple Amish guys up there. My father-in-law, you know, he has 2 fake hips, and he's climbing around up there like a monkey. You know, like I can't do that. Never been able to do it like that. I freeze up when it comes to. I don't like heights, believe it or not. I never have. I've gotten pretty comfortable with ladders over the years, but never been a big fan of heights if I have nothing to hang on to. They did tell me it's pretty easy with the strapping on there, the purlins going across. They said that makes it a lot easier. It's like working off of a ladder for them. Like I said, it makes me cringe. I mean, this is a tall building. You're talking, oh, what are we talking about? Oh, let's see, about 25, 26 feet to the peak of this thing. So that's pretty tall. Probably what I might end up doing is getting a 32-foot ladder from work maybe, because when they get on this very last section, they're going to have to climb off a ladder off the roof, which I hate the idea of them doing that. I just hate that. But it's one of those things. It is what it is. They're willing to do it. The safety measures are in place if they so choose to use them. But they're doing a really fantastic job. My wife's brother, he's really good at this stuff. He much better at roofing than I am. He takes a lot of time to make sure everything's right. And believe it or not, for as long as this building is sat open to the elements, things moving, stuff like that, it's coming out pretty good. We're not really running very much on the tin. It's fairly square, believe it or not. The eastern side has presented a little bit more of a problem because those are the timbers that sat uncut, and they probably sat longer than any of them. Now, they were on sawhorses quite a bit while I was down, so they weren't really supported the way they should have been, not stickered like they should have been. So that was a little more of a challenge. It's a little bit of a camelback because of the timbers, but really it's coming out really well. Unfortunately, that's not really the side you see. You don't really see that side. You come down the road, you see it from the western side, but it really looks pretty good regardless. So they're doing a phenomenal job. But anyway, we're just plugging along. We'll have this roof on. Hopefully, it all depends on the weather. We've been battling massive winds up here the last couple weeks. A lot of rain. We've had some snow. I tell you what, after we got this one half of the roof on, I came up here this morning. We had snow last night, and exactly half of this thing was bone dry. That was a good feeling. There was no water dripping through the floor or anything like that. So it won't be long. I have the window. I've got a 9-foot wide window going on the gable end to the north, looking out over the field, you know, my hunting spot. And so that thing's 9 feet wide. It's a 3-section, it's mullioned together, 3 windows. and that'll be nice. They're double hung, insulated, all that good stuff. That was a freebie. Another one courtesy of my brother-in-law. He took it out of his house and put a different one in. But when we go to make the door on this end, I'm going to make a window for that from scratch. We'll cut the glass and everything, and so we'll be able to show you that. But we're doing really well. I'm pretty happy with it. I've got my I'm kind of cutting it short tonight, you know, before midnight, because I have my 6-month checkup after the accident tomorrow. So yeah, today's the 12th, so yeah, it's 6 months exactly since I took the ride through the stairwell hole and destroyed my ankle. But you'll notice tonight I boarded that off. I put a block behind the feet of the ladder there, climb up and down there. So whew, I'm tired. Pardon me. So anyway, that's her. That's what we're up to. That's what's going on. Today you had a couple days worth of footage rolled into here. And we've been moving so quick when we are on the roof, I have not been able to get the drone out or do any of that. Now, I probably could have today. The wind wasn't as bad, but we were trying to slam it out, and we got another whole 50-foot long section done. So we're doing really well. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we will see you the next time.